Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a Talkie AI. So let's get started. So to make a Talkie AI, it is very easy. You have to follow this easy instruction. So first of all, open your Talkie app. Okay, and then here you have to select your gender. Then you have to click on here, and you have to go click on login with your Google account. Okay, so make sure you have logged in with your correct account. Just click on here and then you can here go and click on this as your plus icon. Okay, and from here you can just select your character, and from here you have to fill all the prompts and images, and then your picture will your AI will be created. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.